Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create talking avatars using Synthesia. So right here on Synthesia we have two options. You could create new avatars or you could also have your personalized avatars. In order to create new avatars you can simply click and get started. So right here you have a preset avatar and you have some text which you can write yourself. All you need to do is to simply delete it and write in your information as you might want to, right? So once you do that, you can go over to generate. However, if you'd like to change this avatar, you can go over to scene layout, click on replace, and you have some other options. If you'd like to replace this scene, you just simply need to click on replace scene and that will replace this current scene for you. Now, if you'd like to add a scene, you can simply click on add scene and you get to choose another talking avatar. So let's say this is all we want. All we need to do is to go ahead and click on generate. This will start the process of generating talking avatars using the text which we've written down here. So after clicking on generate, you're going to provide the title, the description. If you'd like to remove the watermark and also burn the captions, these toggle buttons are up for you to use. And then after which you can click on generate in 16 minutes. So it says it takes about 16 minutes to generate your talking avatar. So you need to make sure there are no mistakes right here.
This is easy internet. We're happy to share real solutions.
Now, what if we want to create our own personal avatars? Well, back in the home page right here, we're going to scroll down on the left side panel and you can see personal avatars. Click on personal avatars and here it says make an avatar that looks just like you. You need to upgrade to create this personal avatar. However, these are the steps to follow. You're going to need to choose your setup, basically a space that reflects your personality. Then you'll need to record yourself by reading a script with your webcam or provide a 2 to 3 minutes of footage to Synthesia. And on the third step, you'll need to record a consent video and after which your avatar will be ready the very next day. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to create a talking avatar, whether it's a personal or the preset options right here on Synthesia.